tatlong oras ang nagsasalita.
Hindi namin yun mailalabas lahat.
Hindi binabanggit ang pangalan. It happens, sir. In the end,
It happens a lot, actually.
The reporter will decide for
Yung
himself.
rally namin, 4 lang kaming nagsalita. Yung 3, these are members of the hierarchy, na-mention ang pangalan.
No, yun.
So parang yung sinasabi niyo po na left out kayo?
Ako ang
wala.
nagsalita ng pinakamahaba na 1 hour, and I provided the context. Kasi ako lang ang pwedeng magsalita noon, hindi sila. Ako lang. Ma'am, kahit na ba isang sentence lang?
It doesn't necessarily mean that they did not see you or mind you. It's just that perhaps, I can't speak for the reporters because I was not there. But it's also possible that the reporters in the end thought na ito yung kailangan ko ilagay na
Oh my God. Ed,
quotes.
ang lalaki ng billboard na yan. And this rally reverberated in the entire country because there were 13 other areas. The first is in Luneta. There are other 12 areas
Kaya nga.
in Mindanao. Andun ako lahat.
Okay.
Tapos hindi man lang ako na... Why would you not mention me, madam? Why so?
Hindi ko po alam yun.
Hindi, yun ang inaano. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, kasi maganda yung tanong ni Ma'am Sylvie. Hindi ka ba atras? Kasi... So how can you tell this? How do you describe what's happening in this country?
So you don't believe in the survey?
Not anymore.
You think po ay naaapektuhan yung pulso ng masa sa mga lumalabas na survey? Nakakaapekto po yun?
Yun ang aking ikinalulungkot at ikinatatakot. It could be a mind-setting strategy. Kasi, pero pag nagano kayo ng online ngayon, tingnan nyo yung mga ng online na bakit ako'y palaging number 1 sa online naman. I'm not saying na totoo rin yun, but tingnan naman ninyo, wala ako doon.
Pero pasok kayo sa online.
Pagkatapos sa online, number 1 ako.
I just have to take note of this particular point kasi we cannot just say na palibasa hindi po lumabas yung pangalan niyo doon sa dyaryo. Hindi ibig sabihin po na kayo'y single out.
What does that mean?
That does not mean that you were singled out.
Hindi po kami nagsisingle out ng kahit sino.
I think that's also unfair
Yes.
to talk to reporters and editors that way po. I'm sorry, but...
And I am talking about 8 reporters.
Yes, sir.
Nag-isa yung isip nila na hindi nila ako nakita. I spoke for at least an hour. Escudero was not there. At nag-send lang siya ng text message.
Reaction
He
na
earned
lang
8 pages of that report. I don't know how we justify that.
Sir,
I'm not saying na, well, I guess, baka saying baka...
Hindi po kami nagsisingle. I promise you, hindi nagsisingle
But how
out ng
would you,
Philippines.